Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you, even though your formal announcement and welcome will be done by Jyoti Kumar. Now, Jyoti Kumar will come, let him take some more time. But meanwhile, I think we will spend time some more usefully about what we are going to do about the DVDs and photos and copies. There are a lot of inquiries coming in. I just want to make a small summary of what we are planning. The whole program is being videographed, and there will be a DVD prepared that will take about let's say 10 days. He said 10 to 15 days it will take. Then he will prepare a DVD and give it to the person who is asking for it. He will send it by courier. Number two, he has been taken a lot of digital still photographs. Again, he is going to make a DVD of all the soft copies of the photos what he is taken throughout, and that DVD also will be prepared, and those who want it will be couriered as a part of that. The third one is, we have taken some group photos. We were struggling hard to give the print of the whole thing before you all go today, but probably unfortunately today being a Sunday, none of the studio thing is open today. In fact, I had a big issue in taking printout of some of the Excel sheets I had prepared. I couldn't even get a printer outside. Having said that, he is still struggling to give you prints of both the group photos what we took. These are some of the things which we have contracted with the studio. And another one is, you will be happy to know that I have been preparing one short DVD what we took at the end of our Silver Jubilee function in 1995 February. That was a 2.5 hour movie taken at that time by me, and that was a VHS cassette that got damaged so much. I retrieved it, made it and cleaned up the whole tape and edited it to make it half an hour to 40 minutes, so that we thought we'll show it to you here. And that DVD, whoever wants it later on, we will see how best we can copy it. I had a tough time in preparing the DVD. Fortunately, I got the data. Hopefully he has brought us a laptop, we will show you that. What is not there probably in that is, there are a lot of gaps so far, is that where we worked, where did you retire, and I am going to add 4 photos inside this. One is your photo when you are in a childhood day. It could be in school days preferably. Don't add when you are 6 months old and all, nobody can make out. Now, preferably before you joined. Then next photo will be how you looked at, you are looking at 1969, how you are looking in our college days. The third one, how you are there today. I requested him, if possible, to take a close-up photo of each one of you if possible. Otherwise, you may have to give me one copy, because it's very difficult for me to edit some of the group photos and make a individual scan. The last one is your favorite group photo or any photo what you want to remember in your college days. These 4 I will try to scan and put it as a part of this software. Bottom, family details, wife, son, and anything you want to add as a part of that, you can add. The last but not least, a small column you have kept. How do you think our batchmate can help the college? How you think we can help the society? How you think you can do anything else which is of some relevance to us? Your ideas. you think you want to contribute, whether you want to do it, what is your idea? If you want to write some personal sheets, you can write. These will be digitized and put it in a individual. There are 80 people, mean 80 sheets will be there, each one of them. And it's going to be a tough task because I requested all of you to bring one set of your photos. If it's not there, what I propose to do is, I will make a small group in the email IDs. I'll send these soft copies to you. Tell your children or grandchildren to take your photo, scan it and put it inside. They will know much better job than you. And send that sheet to me back. Then I don't have to edit it. I don't have to add, because I am worried whether I will make spelling mistakes or mix up something which will, because it's sort of a permanent document. Now this, I will take a lot of time for me to do this. Hopefully I should be able to do it in a month or 45 days time. That I will add it into a PowerPoint presentation, add music, add video at the back, and you can click somewhere like Manogaran, the Manogaran sheet, you will get it directly. Then you can see this. This is what I am planning, but I don't know whether I will be able to succeed, do it or not. But all of you kindly cooperate. I just now when I was checking up, not many of you have brought any of the photos. It means that taking photos of only 2-3 people does not add value to the souvenir. Now I am going to wait for another 15-20 days, but I am going to give you the soft copy to all of you, add and give it back to me. Then I will decide whether the souvenir idea is working out for us or not. Otherwise, whatever data is there, I will circulate. Ramaratnam was mentioning that it's such a good idea that I want to leave it for my next generation. So he said that he would like to have, even for his own family, with the template. There are a lot of ideas coming out. I thought I will share my ideas with you. And lastly, some of these photographic session and video, all other, please come. So a lot of things have been, sponsorship have been received. Jyoti Kumar will share those details with you. Thank you for your patient hearing. Enjoy yourself. How many people brought pen drive? And there is only one laptop. I asked Jyoti to bring second laptop, he was not able to do it. So now I pass on. The function is going to start with Jyoti welcoming you. We are going to have an introductory session, and I am inviting Mr. Ramaratnam to work as a MC for our function. Over to Ramaratnam.
And left us Jyoti Kumar, who has been the brain behind organizing this event. And I think we should give or O to Jyoti Kumar. Okay.
Other parts are here. Other parts of my body are
there. Suddenly you become so emotional. Okay. Third is, I think the crowd has been pulled by Balu. I think the amount of trouble he has taken to send various invitations and importance with reference to our meet. I think it has been done by Balu. We started with only 11 or 12 people. I think today I understand it's almost around 52 to 53 classmates and 21 ladies. The other ladies who have not come, those gents, I urge, please buy the DVD and show it to them. They will understand what they miss. Thank you. I request, I think the snacks and tea are over. I request Jyoti Kumar to give a welcome address to my classmates and to their families. Thank you.
I congratulate all the engineers of Karaikudi College on reaching 70. I wish and pray, Lord Almighty, that you should reach 80 without difficulty and have a get-together like this. It's very nice to see you all together. Thank you.
Thank you. That is actually, I think most of you know, she is Mrs. Ramlingam, and she was head of a school. So you can imagine the inspiration coming from a teacher.
My dear classmates or batchmates, and the beautiful ladies with a colorful dress. I am actually overwhelmed by the colors of the sarees of our batchmates' wives. Thank you very much for having come here and make me more happy. And I welcome you, all of you, for this exciting 1969 batch meet. Before starting, I would like to announce with grief the demise of our friends, Mr. Kanagaraj Electrical, Devanathan Mechanical, Banduti Natarajan Mechanical, Padmanaban Mechanical, Jayaprakash Narayanan Civil, Gopal Electrical, Singara Vadivelu Electrical, Arupukote Ramasamy Mechanical, Jafrullah Khan Mechanical, Krishnan PV, because he was very close to me. 2009, we organized the 40th reunion. We were able to organize this because of him. I am missing him very much. Sorry. I would like to all of you to stand for 1 minute silence for the souls. Rest in peace. Thank you. To organize a meeting, as he missed his 1969 batch, 2009, he could not meet that 40th reunion. And my friend Ramaratnam also suggested to have it in July. Within 45 days, I started calling our friends, and I could feel the enthusiasm of my friends. That is the spirit of 1969. Of course, you will see the inner spirit of our friends at 7 p.m. today evening. No. See, you made me very busy, and within 45 days, registration swelled to 58. I think the single who has come as a lion, registration is 38. The other persons, Punamari, Poddavatude Vandavanga, 20 பேர். So number of participants is about 78 as per registration. There were some dropout. And I would like to thank here Tanjai Balu for his efforts to register about more than 10 people in the last minute. And because of Balu, we started the WhatsApp. I would like to thank Balu and also the WhatsApp's founder, Mr. Kaun and Action. You may not be knowing who is the founder of WhatsApp. I was able to find out only yesterday through Google. Kaun and Action. See, the number of registered in the 40th reunion held on 24th July was 54. Today it is 58. In the reunion, about 32 of our friends voluntarily came forward and donated about 2,46,000. I would like to read out the persons who have donated. Okay. One Mr. Start with N. Jayachandran, 7,500. Myself, 10,000. I would like to, I request the members to stand up and get recognized. And Mr. Karunagaran, 5,000. நான் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்றவங்களுக்கு கொடுப்பா. கருணாகரன். Hey, Jayachandran, would you please come up? Please help him. Hey. Jayachandran. Kannamani, please come this way. Mr. Kasim Mayappan, 10,000. Kasim Mayappan, could you please stand up? Kasim Mayappan. And Lakshmi Narayanan Mechanical, he gave 10,000. He has not come. My friend P.V. Kistan, who passed away, 5,000. Manoharan, 1,000. Nadi Muthu, please stand up, sir. 2,000. Mr. Padmaraban, who is now no more, he donated 5,000. Pannambalam, 2,000. Yes, Ramachandran, 3,000. Ramalingam, P.V. Ramalingam, 5,000. Ramaratnam, he is always number one, 52,500. Mr. G. Rangarajan, 5,000. Ramamurthy, who was working in Dastur, he has not come. He has donated 20,000. M.V. Rangarajan, 2,000. N. Ravi, 5,000. Ravi. Satyakirti, 5,000. Sekhar from Bangalore, 5,000. Even though he could not attend the meeting, he sent the check. Thank you, Sekhar. Then Mr. Sanmuganathan, 5,000. Shivakumaran, 10,000. Maple. Sivanesan, 500. Sivanesan. Sridharan, 5,000. Sridhar. Tamilvanan, 5,000. Balu. Mr. Tyagarajan, 5,000. Veerappan, 5,000. Venugopal, 5,000. He has not come. Elangovan, Mr. Elangovan, 500. Felix Raj, 5,000. M.V. Anand, 20,000. Abraham Tarakan, 10,000. My friend Abu Bakr, 10,000. See, total collection was 2,46,000. Please, sir. The financial position as on 30th July. Thank you. That in SB account we have 3,03,184. In FD about 3,32,877. Cash on hand 1,000,1630. total amount is 6,37,791. And when I asked some of my friends for sponsoring this meet, people came forward and have promised to give some donation for this meet. I would like to read those people name. Anand MV, Darai Pandian, Tanjai Balu, Puna Balu, Kasi Mayappan, Jayachandran, myself, Rangarajan, Ramaratnam, Sanmonathan, Sridharan, Dravadamani, Veerappan. Thank you all of you, my friends. And one more, I would like to announce that our 5 of our, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72 batch, they are organizing a get-together on, I think, 24th of July at Anna University Auditorium. The contribution is 450, and those who wants to participate, you can contact either me or Mr. G. Rangarajan. With the family? No, without family. Okay. So thank you very much for participating and making this a very grand one. I'd like to hand over the proceeding to Mr. Ramaratnam.
Good evening, colleagues. And their better halves. Whosoever have come here, I welcome all. I have been given the, in the court there is a guy who says Ramaratnam, Ramaratnam, Ramaratnam. So like that you have to call the people. That is called as MC. So I have to call people. People have to come here and introduce themselves and go. That is the role of mine today. But I would definitely like to say a few words before. Balu has taken most of the time, so I will take some time lesser than that. See, one, we definitely have missed many of our classmates, and our desire to probably make a 50th alumni meet of our 1969 batch in 2019. We should definitely plan. I think it's a great get-together. We should plan much earlier so that the strength can be much bigger. Please attend. Please bring your wife. This is my... And the second, there are some people who have lost their better half. All of us can imagine the trouble that what an individual will go through in case he loses his better half. I definitely wish to convey my condolence. The ones whom I know, I would definitely like to mention Mr. Ishwaran, Mr. Abubakar, Balasundaram. Sorry, Balasundaram cries even today whenever he talks about his wife. KSK Mandiram. I'm sorry if I don't know some of the better halves who have left. Kindly apologize, but for all those departed souls, doesn't matter, we sit and convey our condolences to the family, and may their soul rest in peace. Few things which come to our mind. I think, one of the things what Jyoti Kumar talked about is and Balu mentioned, what are all the things that our batch can contribute towards the college or to the society or to help the poor. What is that we can do? To start with, definitely like to tell a word. See, when you give food, you have satisfied one time, one meal of an individual. When you probably give to coconut trees, it is believed that it can take care of the family. But when you start a school, you have totally given the upliftment to the society of that community. The community does not mean religion, where you live in. So there I would like to definitely wish to thank Mr. Jafarullah Khan, my roommate, and I wish to donate 1 lakh rupees to his school today. He has not run the school as a money-making organization. He has run it for the upliftment of the society, the poor children from that village. And to name, when I visited him when he was sick, when I visited his son's house, he was telling, "Uncle, I don't think I have seen my father so much smiling in his life after he has met you. Please come daily." That is what his son said to me. Unfortunately, I could not be here. I heard that he passed away only after 3 to 4 days' time. But I am very glad that he has left his name as a founder of that school, and his photograph and his name will always remain for years and generations to come. Long live Jafarullah. Now let me go to my MC role. I wish to call. Huh? First, you have to. People are supposed to come in. We'll go by that list. See, now we have some time allotted for self-introduction, 1 hour. We are already late by around 20-25 minutes. The people whose name are called, please come to the stage, introduce about yourself. If you have brought your wife, please come with your wife here. I am sorry. I think that's a better, since you have lost time, I think that's a better idea. So both of you have to stand. Okay? Name. Achha, we don't have to call name. What does the MC do? Just standing. I think Manohar and Lion has got excellent. He says everybody can see the family, and probably it is better they come here. But you can start assembling yourself. That you can do. Just 3, 4 couples. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Huh? Konda. It is anything else. It is Abu Bakr first. Please come. You try to finish as if you are running 100 meters.
Good evening. Really, it's a very wonderful evening. We never thought that in this age we will get a life like this. We never even dreamt. I can't run now. Really, I'm not joking. So I'm so happy. I'm seeing all the smiling faces. And my request is that 50th this thing, you make it a great function. Give ample time. and arrange it in some place where everybody can meet. This is a rare opportunity. God knows whether we will be there for 50th year or not, but still we wish we all meet again. Thank you very much.
Abu Bakr was a great sports person and he was running his own business. He is well settled. A thorough gentleman. Next. I totally forget my role. Abraham Tarakan. நீ இங்கே தான் வரணும். Next is Alagiri Sami.
Good evening. I have been an agriculturist all my life. I have been an agriculturist all my life, except during 1964 to 69 when I studied engineering. Thank you. I have got 3 sons. All of them have been married and they are, I wouldn't say they are settled. One is the eldest son is in America. The second son, he did his engineering and MBA and he joined me in agriculture. The third son is passed his MBBS and MD from JIPMER and he has joined CMC Vellore for DM. He'll be writing his exam in August. Please pray for him.
I happened to visit Iswaran's agricultural setup. There is no tree which he doesn't have, and he says he learnt everything from Abraham Tarakan's agricultural effort. A great agriculturist. Probably he has chosen agriculture because it is tax-free.
Good evening to all. I am Alagiri Swami, retired additional chief engineer from Electricity Board. During service, I got blessing from many people. Many people, not one or two. Many people blessed me and my sons. My first son he did MBBS, MS in Madras Medical College, then FRCS, then MCS Plastic Surgery. He is now working in Ramachandra Medical College. Then my second boy is BE MBA. Is at the age of 40, he is Director Finance in American Express Company, working in America. My third son is BE. He is working in UK-based company at Tokyo as head of the department. That's all my. Only then I pray God for giving an opportunity to serve the people of Tamil Nadu. During my entire service, I told you all, only people of Tamil Nadu are paying the real salary to you, not the higher officer. Unless they pay current consumption charge as consumers, we will not get salary. Keep mind, if anybody comes, first offer seat for them. That I followed.
I think people have to introduce about themselves. Alagiri Sami introduced more his children than himself. But anyway, he was proud of his children. We are also proud of your children achievements. Great. We wish them best of health. Thank you. Next is Amir Hussain.
Hello, good evening to all. I am Amir Hussain from Tirunelveli. I blessed with 2 kids. My daughter is in Saudi Arabia now. My son is looking after my business. It is a rubber industry running in Tirunelveli.
I am very glad that Amir Hussain could make it with all the fasting of Ramadan. And he is strictly following that. We wish. Now it is 6:40. He said he will take an orange juice. Thank you. M.V. Anand.
I am Anand. This is my wife Nalini. I retired as General Manager from Steel Authority. I have 1 son and 1 daughter. Son is in Gurgaon and my daughter is in New Zealand. Thank you.
Anthony. one of the great hockey players of our set.
Good evening. My name is Anthony Expedit B. Mechanical. I'm settled in Chennai. I've got two daughters. First one is in Microsoft, USA, and the second daughter is with me. She worked as a software engineer in Singapore. Now she is living with me. My grandson is now studying first year engineering college in Chennai. Thank you.
When did you get married?
71.
Oh. I think Alagiri Sami, it is time you learn. His grandson is already in engineering. Tell your children. K. Armugam. Next Armugam is Tirukkovilur.
Good evening. I'm Armugam. I'm blessed with three sons. One son is in Canada. Another is working in Qatar. Another is working in Madras. I'm settled in Madras. I was in ISRO for a brief time for 5 years. Then I went to Gulf. So I retired as a manager in an American company. Thank you.
Hi Chandru, come, welcome. Armugam of Tirukkovilur.
Good evening, friends. Extremely happy to see all of us after a long time. I worked as a junior engineer in the agriculture engineering department and left the job. I started my own industry by name Sida Industries in Tirukkovilur. I am manufacturing agriculture trailers, implements and industrial trailers. This is my wife Subhashini, and we are blessed with a son. We have done his BE in Anna University. Now he is in the States. Thank you.
Thanks, Armugam. No, I was thinking that, since one is Abu Bakar's wish that on the 50th year we should all try to meet. And there was also a doubt to how many of us will continue to be healthy, alive, and then we will be able to make it. These doubts were there. So I thought I will be requesting probably our batchmates to make sure that they introduce this group to our children so that they can also get acquainted and make a slightly a bigger circle. But looking at the way the children are spread between Canada and States and other things, I think it is impossible. We may have to drop that idea. But it's very healthy to see the children settled. So many children are abroad. Very, very good.
Hello, I am S. Arnachalam. During my college days, I was known as M.R. Narayanan. I have changed my name to S. Arnachalam, so I have come earlier to present myself. I have retired myself as a chief engineer from Triad Board. I have 4 daughters. All are married and all are doing well. And I hope to meet every one of you during 2019. Thank you.
Atmaram, please.
Hello everybody. I am very happy to see all the people. Till then I will be speaking. Because after a long time I am seeing all you people. And I got the opportunity to once again come along with my wife. And she is my wife, Kausalya. And we have got one daughter and son. And my son is working in Abu Dhabi as a geologist, GIS engineer. And my daughter is here with son-in-law working in Wipro. They have been in the States and they have come back here and they are settled down in Aryagram. And we are all at Nanganallur now. And, please come and see us whenever you come to Madras. Yes, I wish you had to come. And not and Jyoti Kumar is my best friend. And Kanagasabai has come, I think. Kanagasabai is there. And Alagiri Swami has worked along with me in electricity board. I retired as a superintendent engineer. He worked along with me in Madras. So I remember him. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
அவங்க ஒய்ஃப்ட்ட கேட்டேன் அவங்க தான் பேச போறாங்களோன்ட்டு இல்ல அவர் விட்டா பேசிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாரு அதனால அவர்கிட்ட தான் போறீங்க இது ஜோக் இல்லப்பா உண்மை நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் தஞ்சை பாலு
I am Balasubramanian from Tanjavur.
My wife name is Santi. I got two sons. Elder son is a orthopedic surgeon and the younger son is engineer. And I got 4 grandchildren. That's all. Thank you.
The highest number of WhatsApp entrant in our group. There is a quiz that's going to happen. I have listed some people. If you are able to guess the right number, he will get a prize. That will come later. You can start reading it now. Now it's V. Balasubramaniam, one of the rank holders. Throughout the 5 years course, he has stood first. Great merit.
Thank you. I am Balasubramaniam, Pune. I had worked for about 35 years in Tata Motors and retired as the head of passenger car designs. Now, in the next 10 years, I have been working as a consultant to Tata Technologies. I am still working with them and assisting Tata Motors in their car and vehicle design. My wife, she is Dr. Bhavani Balasubramaniam. She is a retired professor from a medical college. She continues to go as a professor in one of the private medical colleges in Pune. I got 2 sons. One is a specialty dentist, means that he is rehabilitating many of the cancer patients after their operations and how to oral cancer especially, and he is rehabilitating especially. My second son is a computer engineer. He is a director of some development in cloud storage in US. My both the daughter-in-laws are doctors. I got 3 grandchildren. Thank you.
One important factor he probably hid from all of us. When I was a bachelor in Pune, Balu came to Pune and joined as a postgraduate trainee with Tata Motors. I introduced Balu to Bhavani's family. He hooked her there. It's a must, no? I mean, I think, how I am involved not only in the college, even post-college, in the life. JB, Balasundaram.
பாலசுந்தரம் தமிழ்நாடு மின்சார வாரியத்தில் மேற்பார்வை பொறியாளராக இருந்து ஓய்வு பெற்றேன். எனக்கு ஒரு மகன் ஒரு மகள் இருக்கிறார்கள். 3 பேத்தி பையன் பேரன் இருக்கிறார்கள். எல்லோரும் நன்றாக இருக்கிறார்கள்.
He even today cries whenever he talks of he's the maximum number of times he has visited our house. He's visited my house in Pune is Balasundaram, and he was my first year roommate. And he suggested, we have completed 50 years of joining engineering college, why don't we celebrate that? That is how this meet started. And he came last time. Bhaskaran, another headquarters mate.
Good evening. Bhaskaran, mechanical. Worked in the electricity board. After retirement, now I am staying with my second son, Bangalore. He's assistant manager in Accenture company. My elder son is working in USA. It's a doctorate in pharmacology. Thank you very much.
He was not aware, I just made a call to him, Bhaskaran, please come. He said, I have to take my son's permission. But but I am very glad he could make it. The speciality of Bhaskaran is, as a second year engineering student, he ragged a third year engineering fellow. And he was ragged so thoroughly by the third year people. Great, Bhaskar. Okay, next. Mr. Elangovan.
Good evening to all. So I am Elangovan. I am retired as additional chief engineer from electricity board and residing at Tiruvannamalai. I got 3 children. First a daughter, and then son, and then daughter. So daughters are residing at Tiruvannamalai, their families with their families, and the son is working at Singapore as a tool die designer. Thank you, that's all.
Next on the list is Periyaya, Mr. Ganapathy Subramaniam. Sorry. Sorry. ஐயா கணபதி மறந்துட்டாப்பா பரவாயில்ல சொல்லியாச்சு பெரிய ஐயானிங்க என்ன சொல்லணும் இல்ல இல்ல
என்னவோ தெரியாது என்ன பெரிய ஐயான்னு கூப்பிட்டாங்க நான் சின்ன ஐயாவா பெரிய ஐயாவா தெரியாது என் பேர் கணபதி சுப்பிரமணியன் I have 3 daughters. All are married. I belong to the mechanical branch. I still run my own marketing company. I represent world's best manufacturers in various fields. And my last daughter, she's heading the movies now, Times Group in southern India. And she's one of the top ranking, highest paid officers in the Times Group. And I am very happy. My wife is not here, unfortunately. She has got some other work. Sorry? Okay. Her name is Nirmala. Some of the people here, they know her very well. But due to some other preoccupation, she couldn't join me here. And I'm very happy that I could meet all my old friends. And presently I'm a lion. And Ramratnam told about a lot of service being done. In fact, as a lion, my good friend, my Manoharan is another lion who is having a lion pin and he has come with that. And I'm very happy to see him because normally lions outside are known by the lapel pin that they wear. And recently I had one remembrance. One gentleman who has traveled to Australia was detained by the customs people and the customs authority said you are carrying some cookies which is not allowed in this country, so we have to fine. And the officers fined $400. And suddenly she saw one small pin at the collar, which happened to be a lion's pin. And the man who was the chief of that lady, the lady was the chief of the man who has fined him $400. And when the lady saw the pin in the collar, he said, "What is that?" He told that it is a lion's pin. I belong to the Lions fraternity. Since he said, "I remember about the Lion fraternity in the world," and he told the officer concerned to cancel the fine made on him and said that $400 which we fined him is retrieved back, and that $400 this gentleman can use for the uplift of the community. So that is one of the best experience that I could hear from a recent Lions friend of mine. And of course, we are doing a wholehearted project in various downtrodden people to the
Which we will
downtrodden.
introduce in the Lions Club meeting next time. Thank you.
Yeah, the curtain has come down. Thank you very much.
Sorry, Ganpati.
No.
Take it light. Because we have only 1 hour time. Gajendra Reddy.
Gajendra Reddy, Electrical Branch, retired as a super engineer from Electricity Board. I am native of Arcot and now settled in Mugapar, Madras. I got one son and daughter. The son is in Chicago, is a dentist, is married and has got two daughters. My daughter is a software engineer. She is also married. They got one boy. Thank you.
The quickest introduction is Gajendra Reddy. We go to Rinba Kumar. Rinba Kumar.
Good evening, everybody. And before I speak about myself and my family, I have got a suggestion to make. Picking up from what Abu Bakr has said, the 50th year is just 3 years away. The 3 years, 50th Golden Jubilee. This gathering, it's very difficult to have this gathering again in a short period. So I think we can decide about the venue at least, about the 50th Golden Jubilee year. And my humble suggestion would be, we can have it at our college campus at Karikudi, and there we can as well decide about what we can do to our alma mater about the contribution what was talked about by Ramaratnam as well as by Jyoti Kumar and Abu Bakr. So all of you may think about this, where we should have our Golden Jubilee celebration. And whether we will be there or how we will be there, etc., let us leave it to God. So that is the point. And about myself, which of course I have now, of course all of us have retired. I retired as a general manager in Salem Steel Plant, and I have 2 sons. And first son is in US, he is a green card holder, he has settled there practically. And the second chap is at Dubai, he is a software engineer. And first son has got 2 children, 1 daughter and 1 son, and second son has got a daughter who is 6 months old. And this is about me. Thank you.
Thanks, Inbakumar. One of the best dressed fellow in our set at that time. Today he has come in jeans and a lot of tummy. Yeah. 4 fellows were the best dressed in our college. Shanawaz Hamid, Farooq Hamid, G.V. Mohan Raj, and Inbakumar. These 4 people were the best dressed. Thank you. Now we have Jayapal, our volleyball champion. He is short, but he played volleyball very well.
Hello, good evening to everybody. I'm Jay Bolan from Civil Branch of Karaikuri. I retired as an executive engineer from PWD. Got my one daughter and son. Daughter is housewife. My son-in-law is a commerce professor at Tanamani University. My son is working in Renault Nissan as a project manager. And my daughter-in-law is also project manager at Infosys. This is my story. Now, just காலேஜில் கிளாஸில் நடந்த ஒரு சின்ன இன்சிடெண்ட்டை எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்கிறதுக்கு விரும்புகிறேன். ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒரு சின்ன ஒரே நிமிஷம். ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் நினைக்கிறேன், அல்ல செகண்ட் இயரில் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ப்ரொஃபஸர் இல்லையா, அது கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ப்ரொஃபஸர் கிளாஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு இருந்தார். சுந்தர்ராமன். ஹலோ, சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் ஆகிடுச்சேன். That chemistry professor name was Sundar Raman. கிளாஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்கும்பொழுது அப்படியே எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து போய் அப்படியே அவர் ஒரு மாதிரி இப்படி கையை ஜாலியாக ஆடிக்கிட்டே கிளாஸ் எடுப்பார். கிளாஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது, now I am going to put one intelligent questions. Yes. Anybody answer my question? Yes. One turn from the crowd of students. Yes. What is the difference between ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol? At that time, he immediately asked Mr. Abu Bakr, do you know? Sir, do you know? I don't know, sir. You fool, sit down. But at that time, he was studying some novel in the class. Mr. Abu Bakr. So, இதுமாரி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது. பட் இப்போ காலம் கரைவை குறித்து நான் இதோடு முடித்துக்கொள்கிறேன். மீண்டும் உங்களை அனைவரையும் அந்த 50th year 2019 எல்லோரும் நல்ல மனநலத்தோடும் உடல் நலத்தோடும் இன்னும் அதே மாதிரியோட இதே மாதிரி அவரவருடைய ஸ்பைஸோடு வந்து நம்ம எல்லோரும் சிறப்பிக்க வேண்டும் என்று எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனை வேண்டி இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்திற்கு நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நம்ம வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் வந்து ஒரு மெசேஜ் ஒருத்தர் அனுப்பிச்சிருந்தாரு தெரியுமா? இப்போ யாரோட கனக சபையோட பர்த்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவன் என்ன பண்ணியிருந்தான், இந்த நம்ம பேட்ச்மேட்ஸுக்கு உண்டான வெட்டிங் டே, பர்த்டே, வரப்போகிறது, வந்தது எல்லாத்துக்குமா சேர்த்து ஒரு இது அனுப்பிச்சார். அவர் ஒரு வாழ்த்து அனுப்பிச்சார் எல்லாருக்கும். அது மாதிரி ஜெயபால் 50வது இதுக்கு இப்போ வந்த மாதிரியே எல்லாரும் ஒய்ஃபை கூப்பிட்டாங்க, அவர் கூப்பிட்டு வரல. Okay, not allowed. Now it is L. Jayachandran.
I am L. Jayachandran, retired as Joint Director of Technical Education, Government of Tamil Nadu. I got one daughter. My son-in-law is General Manager, Jindal Steelworks. Today, I feel like a 21-year-old boy. No. So I gone back to 1969, Malarum Nenevugal. Thank you.
See, it is good that he became 21 now. All along he was principal of a girls' college. Okay?
Throughout my service, I was always moving with the young people. That's why my mind is also very young. Still. Thank you.
Good. N. Jayachandran. Mr. N. Jayachandran, he studied with us for 2 years only. After that, being from an influential family, he could get himself transferred to Gindi. And then completed his BA Civil and he is on his own now. I had requested him to come and join us. Thanks, Chandru.
மிக்க நன்றி. பாதி இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் சொல்லிட்டார். ஏன்னா நான் பாதி தான் அங்கே படித்தேன். அந்த பாதி தான் வந்து மீட்டிங்கு லேட்டாக வந்தேன். பட் அந்த இருந்த பாதி பீரியடில் இந்த ரொம்ப நெருங்கிய நட்புகள். ராமரத்னம் ஒன்று, ஜெயபால் சம் அனெக்டோட் சொன்னார். அதை குயிக்காக நானும் அந்த அனெக்டோட சொல்லிடுறேன். நானும் அனெக்டோட் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். ராஜாப்பான்னு ஒரு நமக்கு மேத்ஸ் டீச்சர் இருந்தார், உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். ராஜப்பாவுக்கு ராமரத்னம்னாக்கா சீனினாக்கா ஒரு பெரிய டெரர். ஒரு நாளைக்கு என்ன பண்ணானாக்கா அங்கே கிளாஸில் இருக்கிற நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்கிட்டேருந்து ஒரு 10-15 வாட்சை கையில் கட்டினா, ஒரு கையில் கட்டிக்கிட்டு, சார் ஐ ஹாவ் அ டவுட் அப்படின்னு கையை தூக்கி 15 வாட்சை காமிச்சிட்டு எதோடனா எல்லோரும் திரும்பி பார்த்தோன்னே அந்த சிரிப்பு, ஒரு பெரிய சிரிப்பு. ஐ ஸ்டில் ரிமெம்பர் தட் இன்சிடென்ட். ஆனால் ராஜப்பா வில் பி வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி எப்போனாக்கா ராமரத்னம் லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்சில் போய் படுத்துட்டுருவான் சமயத்தில். ஏன்னா விஷமம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் ஸ்கோப் இல்லை அந்த சமயத்தில் போய் படுத்தினா. அந்த மாதிரி படுத்துருந்தானாக்கா ஹி வில் பி வெரி ஹாப்பி, ஹி வில் பி அண்ட் ஹாப்பி அண்ட் வெரி ரிலீவ்ட். But for all that, he turned out to be a very successful, executive. He retired as managing director of Mahindra Vijay. சரி, எனக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் பாதி நான் அங்கே இருந்ததுனால எனக்கு படிப்பும் பாதி தான் சொன்னான். மேற்கொண்டு ஐ ஆல்சோ டிட் MS in the US and I was working there. அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே திரும்பி வந்து இங்கே joined up in my family business, construction and consultancy also I started. Construction of infrastructure projects, bridges, harbour works, some MRTS works, some designs also. அதெல்லாம் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். எனக்கு 2 sons. That's my family. My wife வந்து she couldn't come, because the function in the family. She runs an educational training center, training students for English, GRE, TOEFL, GMAT and மாதிரி எல்லாம். மிக்க நன்றி.
Thanks for coming, Chandru.
I am Jyoti Kumar. I am the... Hello. Okay, jokes apart. I am the partner of Josh Diamond Tools. It was started about 40 years back. And this is my wife, Swarnalata Jyoti Kumar. She was the officer in Canara Bank. And incidentally, she was the chairman of the Innerville district. Over last 2 years back, she held it. And she was very successful because of the person behind her, that is me. And I have one daughter and son. Daughter is the eldest. She is in US. She is a software engineer. She is a manager in a company. And my son-in-law is also a manager in Dell's group. And my son is helping me in one trading company. We are we are a dealer for Vidya, and my daughter-in-law is an architect. Thank you very much. Huh?
அதை மறந்து போயிட்டாங்களா அவங்க சைட்லேருந்து ஞாபகப்படுத்துறாங்க. யூ ஆர் அ ரொட்டேரியன். And of course, N. Jayachandran also was a Rotary Club president for some time, which Jyoti Kumar said, then only I remembered. Next is Kanaka Sabai. Quick. அடுத்தது கண்ணமணி.
I am Kanaka Sabai. Though I joined in the beginning electricity board, later on I moved to the banking sector. I retired as DGM of Indian Bank at Calcutta. I am blessed with a son and a daughter. Son is in UK and my daughter is in USA. I am blessed with a grandson and 2 granddaughters. Thank you.
Good. Very quick introduction. Mr. Kannamani.
Kannamani. I have got 2 sons and 1 daughter. 2 sons are mechanical engineers working at Chennai. Son-in-law is electronic solar engineer at ACS at Bangalore. They are all okay. She is Vijaya Kannamani, my wife. She is all in all for me. I am happy because of her service. And also, I maintain good relationship with the family members and all friends. That is, she is, what should I say? தமிழில் ஒரு இது இருக்கு, மடைமாட்சி இல்லாள்கண் இல்லாயின் இல்வாழ்க்கை எடைமாட்சிதாயினும் இல். ஒரு இல்வாழ்க்கையில் மனைவியின் சிறப்பை கொண்டுதான் அந்த குடும்பம் சிறப்பாக இருக்கும். அது இல்லாவிட்டால் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை என்பதை வள்ளுவர் மனைமாட்சி இல்லாள்கண் இல்லாயின் இல்வாழ்க்கை எடைமாட்சிதாயினும் இல் என்று சொல்லியிருப்பது அதை நான் நினைவு கூறுகிறேன். I am happy, I am living happily with all the limited money, etc. I don't worry for money. I am living happily with my friends and with my relatives and with everybody. Thank you, Ramaratnam.
இன்னைக்கு கண்ணாமணிக்கு இன்னைக்கு என்ன தப்பு பண்ணாலும் வீட்டில் திட்டு கிடைக்காது. அவர் கொஞ்சம் ஒய்ஃபை ஒரு மாதிரியா தூக்கி வச்சு பேசினார்ல. யாரோ ஒரு இது அனுப்பிச்சிருந்தாங்க, ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப், இப்படி இப்படி போட்டு இப்படி வச்சு பாருங்க எல்லாரும். பாத்தீங்களா? ஞாபகம் இருக்குதா? இது கட்ட விரல் அப்பா அம்மா, நம்மளோட இண்டெக்ஸ் ஃபிங்கர் பிரதர் சிஸ்டர்ஸ், நடுப்புற தி மிடில் ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் யுவர் செல்ஃப், ரிங் ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் யுவர் வைஃப், and little finger is your children. Okay? So இதுல பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, அப்பா அம்மா போயிடுவாங்க, brothers அவங்க siblings when they get married they go, குழந்தைங்க எல்லாம் அவங்க பெரியவங்களாய் படிச்சுட்டு வெளிநாட்டில் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்குறோம் எல்லாரோட குழந்தைகளும் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஃபாரின்ல தான் இருக்காங்க. இது மாத்திரம் பிரியாம இருக்கணும்னாக்க இது மாத்திரம் நீங்க பிரிச்சு பாருங்க, இது பிரிக்க வராது. ஸோ அது அவர் சொல்றாரு, அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு கண்ணாமணி சொல்றாரு. ஆனால் இதில் இன்னொரு தத்துவம் கவனிச்சிங்களா? இது மடங்கி இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் தான் இது பிரிக்க வராது. I don't know whether you people have tried it. இதை அப்படி எடுத்து பாருங்க, உடனே பிரிக்கலாம். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ், ஓகே, இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நான் அதை எழுதணும்னு நினைச்சேன், then I thought I'll reserve it for today. கருணாகரன்.
கருணாகரன், என்னுடைய ஒய்ஃபு காஞ்சனமாலா. என்னுடைய வெற்றிகரமான வாழ்க்கைக்கும் என்னுடைய ஒய்ஃப் தான் முக்கிய காரணம். இல்லை அதெல்லாம் நார்மலாக தான் இருப்பேன், அப்நார்மலாக ஒன்றும் நடக்காது. என்னுடைய சன்னு, என்னுடைய ஒரு சன் செயின்கோபனில் என்ஜினியராக இருக்கார், ஆனந்த ராஜேஷ். அவருக்கு 2 ரெட்டை போருங்க, ராதிகா ஜோதிகா.
என்னுடைய டாக்டர் சுஜாதா, என்னுடைய ஹஸ்பண்டு ராஞ்சி டிராஃபி பிளேயர் டி தேவானந்த். அதுக்கு 2 பையனுங்க. ஒரு பையன் 10th படிக்கிறான், அடுத்தவன் 3வது படிக்கிறான். என்னுடைய ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் ரூம்மேட்ஸு கஜேந்திர ரெட்டி, பொன்னுசாமி, குழந்தை. செகண்ட் இயர் ரூம்மேட்ஸ் பாலு, திருஞானம், நம்ம ஃபரூக் அமீத் அண்டு பாலசுப்ரமணியம். தேர்ட் இயர் என்னுடைய ரூம்மேட்ஸு இளங்கோவன், சந்திரசேகரன், கடலூர் நடராஜன். ஃபோர்த் இயரில் நாங்கள் குவார்ட்டர்ஸில் இருந்தோம். நானும் கஜேந்திர ரெட்டியும் மறுபடியும் ஒரே ரூமில் இருந்தோம். கேசவன் அண்டு தியாகராஜன் ஒரு ரூமில் இருந்தாங்க. மோகன் அண்டு நம்முடைய துரப்பாண்டி. இப்போ துரப்பாண்டி வருவாருன்னு பார்த்தேன், திடீர்னு அவருக்கு ஏதோ அசந்தர்ப்பம் ஆகிட்டது. ஃபைனல் இயரில் தனியாக ரூமில் இருக்கும்போது அவர் விஎன் கோபால் என்னுடைய ரூம்மேட்ஸ். அதனால் நிறைய நினைவுகள் இருக்கின்றன. நம்ம இவர் ராமரத்னம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரோவில் சாப்பிட உக்காந்தாருன்னா அட்லீஸ்ட் 4 ரூம் முடிஞ்ச பிற்பாடு தான் எழுந்திருப்பார். வெரைட்டி ரைஸ் அன்றைக்கி மட்டும். அதே போல் சாதம் இருக்கிற இடத்துல வாழைக்காய் பொடி மாசு இருக்கும், வாழைக்காய் பொடி மாசு இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல சாதம் இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய நம்ம மெஸ்ஸில் நம்முடைய எலக்ட்ரிக்கலில் PV ராமலிங்கம் அண்டு நம்முடைய பாலசுப்ரமணியம், செல்வராஜ் அவங்க தான் நினைவில் இருப்பாங்க, ஃபஸ்ட்டாக வருவாங்க. இல்லை நிறைய நினைவுகள். இந்த நினைவுகளில் தான் இவ்வளோ நாள் நம்ம வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருந்தோம்.
மேலே நினைவுகள்லாம் பகிர்ந்துக்கலாம்
இப்பொழுது. அதனால் இல்லை இதோட முடிச்சிடுறேன். நிறைய நினைவுகள் இருக்குது, அதை சொல்லத்துக்கு எனக்கு டைம் இல்லை, அதை சொல்லிடுறேன். இது ஒரு 2-3 மட்டும். ஏன்னா ராமரத்னத்தை பற்றி சொல்ல பண்ண முடியாது. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நீ பாட்டுக்கு எதையான்னு சொல்ல போய். ஆனால் ஒன்று கவனிச்சிங்களா, அத்தனை மேட்ஸ் சொன்னார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் செகண்ட் இயர்னு 5வது வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் மேட்ச் சொல்லலை அவர். இஸ் வெரி சைலண்ட். சொல்லிட்டு வெளில வந்துட்டார். அப்புறம் அடுத்து குயிக் ப்ளீஸ். இப்போ இங்கேருந்து இத்தனை நாளைக்கு வந்து நம்ம 1 minute கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தோம். இனிமேல் 1 minute கூட கிடையாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் people may get impatient. அடுத்து காசிம் ஐயப்பன், கிருபா ராட்ரிக்ஸ்.
I'm Kasim Ayappan. I'm still running a industry, running a mechanical industry by name Tamil Nadu Tools Private Limited. For 41 years I run பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். We specialize in heavy machining and we have some very special equipments with us. எனக்கு ஒரு son ஒரு daughter. Son mechanical engineer. He is taken up agency for Godrej office equipment and he is doing in a very big way. அசம்பிளி கூட இப்போ அந்த இதெல்லாம் அவங்க தான் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. டாக்டர் இஸ் செட்டில் இன் புதுக்கோட்டை ஒரு ஹோட்டல். தேங்க்யூ.
One of the most hospitable.
Hello, good evening, friends. I am Kriba. I am retired as Superintendent Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. I am blessed with 3 sons. All of them are engineers, and 3 grandchildren. First son is US, second son Chennai, third one is now Sweden. Thank you.
உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். ஓகே, லயன்ஸ் கிளப் இன்டர்நேஷனல் கன்வென்ஷன் இருந்தது ஜப்பானில். அதை முடிச்சுட்டு இன்னைக்கு ஏர்லி மார்னிங் 3 o'clock தான் வந்தேன் நான். எஸ்பெஷலி இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை கண்டிப்பாக அட்டன் பண்ணணுங்கிற ஒரே மோஸ்ட்லி அந்த இதுக்காக வந்தோம். நான் வந்து அப்கோர்ஸ் என்னுள் பாதி என் அன்பு மனைவி உதயா மனோகரன். அண்ட் நான் ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியலிஸ்ட். கொலம்பியா பிளாஸ்டிக்னு ஒரு கம்பெனி வச்சுருந்தேன். இப்போ வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட் கன்சல்டண்ட்டாக இருந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு ஒரு சன், 2 daughters. சன் கார்த்திக் அவர் மஹேந்திரா 2-wheeler ஷோரூம் ஆவடியிலையும் அண்ட் ரெடியல்ஸ்லையும் வச்சுருக்காரு. அண்ட் அவருக்கு 2 குழந்தை இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் என்னுடைய டாக்டர் வந்து துர்கா சிகாகோவில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் மோகன் அவர் ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் கம்பெனி வச்சுருக்காரு இங்கே. அவங்களுக்கும் 2 குழந்தைங்க இருக்காங்க. தென் என்னுடைய தேர்ட் டாட்டர் ஷர்மிலி லண்டனில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கும் 2 குழந்தைங்க இருக்காங்க. ஸோ I'm proud of telling it, I have 6 grandchildren. And என்னுடைய ambition in a life, I want to say that Number one is, I would like to start an old age home. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு அனாதை குழந்தைகளை காட்டிலும் அனாதை பெற்றோர்கள் அதிகமாயிட்டு இருக்காங்க, நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ என்னுடைய ஆம்பிஷன் லைஃப்ல அது ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டார்டட் மை ஒர்க்கு. அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஆம்பிஷன், I want to go around the world with my better off. That is my another ambition. Thank you very much. Thank you.
First was a social ambition, second is a selfish ambition. Let us wish both to happen. Thanks, Lion. Kulandaraj.
எல்லோருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். நான் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி போர்டில் ஈயாக இருந்து ரிட்டையர் ஆகியிருக்கேன். அதை தவிர வேறு ஒன்றும் என்னை பற்றி சிறப்பாக சொல்கிறதுக்கு எதுவும் கிடையாது. நான் ஒரு சாதாரணமான ஆள் தான். இதை ஏற்பாடு செஞ்சவங்களுக்கு என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ரொம்ப சிரமப்பட்டிருப்பாங்க. இப்போலேருந்து அவங்க ஆரம்பித்தது தான் 50வது வருஷத்தை இதை கொண்டாடுறதுக்கு முடியும். எல்லோருக்கும் இந்த நேரத்தில் ஒரு வாழ்த்தை சொல்லி நான் முடித்துக்கொள்கிறேன். இறைவன் உங்களோடு இருப்பாராக, அவருடைய சமாதானம் உங்களோடு என்றென்றும் இருப்பதாக என்று வாழ்த்தி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you. Mr. Nadimuthu.
Good evening. I am Nadimuthu. I am happy to meet you, all of you. I am first initially in the state government job, and then go to central government job, then go to foreign government job also. I think I am the only person who work like that. Okay. Regarding my family, I have 2 sons. Elder son is engaged in cashew nut marketing in Africa country. He is well settled there. He got independent license also after his 10 years hard service there. Now he is doing agency work on his own. Second son, he is in the cargo import export in Chennai airport. Both sons are well settled, they are independent. Anyhow, we have in good contact and everything. And finally, my grandson has acted in cinema. All of you has watched Aranmanai 2. The whole movie you would have come 7 years boy. That is due to my second daughter-in-law, maternal uncle is Sundar C. Sundar C and Kushbu are my close relatives. Because of them, they introduced in the cinema field. Thank you very much.
I think, please, I request people to remain silent, please. Mr. Ponnambalam. Next in line is Ramchandran Sival.
மாலை வணக்கம். பொன்னம்பலம், civil. I have studied my postgraduate at Anna University, ME structure. I am having one wife and 4. And I will tell the reason. I am having 4 daughters. எப்படி 4 அப்படின்னு நினைக்கலாம். அடுத்தது ஒரு பையன் வரமாட்டானா அப்படிங்கிறத பண்ணி 4 பொண்ணுன்னொடனே அவர் வந்து சந்தேகம் வந்துருச்சு அவருக்கு. அவர் எப்படியோ தெரியாது, எனக்கு தெரியாது. இல்லை ஏன்னா 4 டாட்டர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறப்ப என்ன இப்போ எல்லாம் 1 2 தானே வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. நம்ம இல்லை, நம்ம பிள்ளைங்கள்லாம் 2 குழந்தைங்களோட நிறுத்திக்கிறாங்க இல்லையாம்மா, இல்லையா? ரைட். அதனால் 2 of them, my daughters are in foreign, UK, 1 daughter, both of them are engineers. Then US, there is last daughter, she is, both of them are also engineers. Then third daughter is an architect, his husband is engineer. They are in Madras only. They are having 2 kids. My second daughter is also having 2 kids. First daughter is here, married to 1 doctor, MD pediatrician. She is a dietitian, MSc. Then particularly telling about my third daughter, architect.
I think all these data are going to come in your A4 size page. We don't have time. I request Ponnambalam and also the people who are coming behind, please, you are limited to 30 seconds only.
It is
I am
not.
sorry.
இப்போ பேசுனதே 30 seconds ஆகிப்போச்சு. ஆகிட்டு. And then I have joined as an assistant engineer in PWD, retired as an executive engineer in PWD. Now I am in my career as executive engineer. ஒரு இது வந்து மேட்டூர் டேம் வந்து ஜனவரி 30, 28லேருந்து ஒரு 1 minute, I will take 2 minutes. 28லேருந்து இல்லை ஒரு முக்கியமான செய்தியை சொல்கிறேன். நான் என்னுடைய சர்வீஸில் நான் செஞ்ச ஒரு சில அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்னு சொல்ல முடியாத சில காரியங்கள் அண்ட் அப்ரிசியேஷன் அதை பற்றி சொல்கிறேன். என்ன மற்றவங்க யாரும் அதை பற்றி நான் என்ன பொதுப்பணித்துறையில் இருந்து நான் சொல்கிறேன். அது ஒரு 78 daysக்குள்ளே அப்பர் பேரேஜில் ஒரு லீக்கேஜ், அது 78 daysக்குள்ளே ஜனவரி 28 ஜூன் 12 வரையிலும் க்ளோஸாக இருக்கும் மேட்டூர் டேம். அந்த டைமுக்குள்ளே 78 நாளுக்குள்ளே சிஎம்னுடைய கண்டிஷன், அந்த 78 நாளுக்குள்ளே நாங்கள் அந்த லீக்கேஜ் எல்லாம் அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணி தண்ணியை வந்து யூஸ்வலாக விட வேண்டிய ஒரு நேரத்தில் விட்டு சிஎம் லெவலில் காட்டுவார் அப்ரிஷியேஷன். And then I am consultant, structural consultant.
பொன்னம்பலம் வந்த போதே ஜோதிகுமார் சொன்னாரு.
முடிச்சிட்டேன்.
நீ மைக்க கொடுக்காதே.
இல்ல முடிச்சிட்டேன்.
குயிக்கா முடிச்சிருங்கப்பா.
I am structural consultant, government registered valuer and then chartered engineer. இப்போ இந்த செக்ரட்டரியேட் சம்பந்தமாக கூட கோர்ட்லேருந்து ஒரு ஆர்டர் வந்தது. எங்கள் சீஃப் இன்ஜினியர் 2 பேர் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டை வந்து சப்மிட் பண்ணி ஒரு 1.5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு சப்மிட் பண்ணி. இப்போ வந்து அடையார் கிரீக் பார்க் 20 crores ஒர்க்கு டீம் லீடராக போடுங்க. இது மாதிரி போது இதெல்லாம் முடிச்சு அதனால் ரொம்ப நன்றி.
இந்த ஒரு சினிமா பாத்தீங்களா, சிம்லா ஸ்பெஷல், நான் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன் பார்வதின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி நான் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன், அவங்ககிட்ட நான் மைக்க கொடுத்தேன்.
என்னுடைய பெயர் ராமச்சந்திரன். பொதுப்பணித்துறையில் சிறப்பு தலைமை பொறியாளராக ஓய்வு பெற்றேன். தற்போது செக்ஷுவல் கன்சல்டண்டாக நான் என் சொந்த ஆஃபீஸ் வச்சு வேலை செய்கிறேன். என்னுடைய மனைவி முத்துமீனாட்சி. எனக்கு ஒரே பையன் வந்து இன்ஃபோசிஸில் சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியர் இருக்கேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
அடுத்தது நம்ம பாலு மெக்கானிக்கல் ஆல்வேஸ் ரேங்க் ஹோல்டர்னா மிஸ்டர் ராமலிங்கம் ஆல்வேஸ் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் நம்பர் 1.
I am Ramalingam. This is my wife R. Tilagavati. Immediately after graduation, I joined the Department of Atomic Energy. After spending 5 years in BRC, the remaining 33 years I spent in Kalpakam. So I retired as a group director, reactor operation and maintenance group. Now I am settled in Perungudi. We are blessed with 3 children. All are engineers. My daughter's first daughter, she is settled in Bombay. The 2 sons are with us at Perungudi. Thank you.
Thank you Ramalingam. 30 செகண்ட்ல கரெக்டா முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. அடுத்தது மிஸ்டர் நாகராஜன். He had not registered earlier but he has been kind enough to be present. Request 30 seconds please.
I am Nagarajan. As he has already told, my roll number is 179, so I remind him that. Now I retired as a chief engineer project in Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. I have a son and a daughter. My son is at Delhi. He is also working for BJP. My daughter is at USA. I have got 2 granddaughters. I am extremely happy to see all of you in this fine evening. Thank you all so much.
Thanks. Question. Next is Mr. B. Cricket Ramesh, a stylist of our college. Very stylish fellow.
Thank you. Thanks, KVR. Ramesh from Bangalore. I have a wife, only one. Her name is Shobha. I have 2 daughters. The elder one is an architect, interior designer. The second one is a software engineer. Thank you very much.
One of the best family photographs posted by B. Ramesh. I think you should try to copy that and try to post your family photograph. Next is Mr. P. Ramurthy, the shortest in our class.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Ramurthy.
I have got one son, one daughter. Son is a software engineer working at Bangalore. My daughter is a doctor, MD DGO. My wife name is Tilagavadi. My son-in-law is EMS surgeon. I have got 4 grandchildren. Thank you.
He was one of our, next is myself. எனக்கு அப்புறம் தான் சாரி எனக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீ கம் I think you have heard more of me. I was the most luckiest in our class to have headed a more than 1,500 crore company as a managing director. It is more blessings because of my parents rather than my own efforts and capacity. Next is she was my neighbor. Okay, and she has been सामने वाले ने बाजू वाले खिड़की में. Okay, so she has stood by me throughout my efforts. We have 2 children. Son lives in UK, daughter lives in Singapore. Both are married and settled. We are on our second innings now. Thank you. Mr. Rampal Singh, one of the best kabaddi players of our set.
I am Rampal Singh. என்னோட ஒய்ஃப் ஜெகதாம்பிகை. நான் பிடபிள்யூடியில் ஜாயின் பண்ணி எஸ்சியாக வந்து 2005 ரிட்டையர் ஆகிட்டேன். எனக்கு ஒரு பையனும் ஒரு பொண்ணும். பையன் வந்து பிஏ மெக்கானிக்கல் இங்கே ப்ரைவேட் கம்பெனியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறான். பொண்ணு ட்ரிபிள் போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட்டு அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் வேலை பார்க்குறாங்க. தேங்க்யூ. 2 கிராண்ட். தேங்க்யூ.
Mr. J. Rangarajan, very disciplined character in our college at that time.
Yeah, that's right.
Now I don't know.
Good evening. My name is G. Rangarajan. I have to specify G because there are 2 more. My wife Meenakshi. We have a son and daughter. My son is assistant managing director in Mahindra and Mahindra Group, Sangyang Motors in Korea. And my daughter is in Mumbai. I have worked in Ashok Leyland, then to Kainiti Honda, then to Ashok Leyland, then to Kainiti Honda. By the time my service was over, I retired. Thank you.
Once I introduced G. Rangarajan as one of the disciplined fellows when he started, he said, I am G. Rangarajan, this is my wife. Why am I specifically saying G? Because there are 2 more. I looked at her. Then I remembered it is M. Rangarajan, S. Rangarajan is what he meant. Next, N. Ravi.
Good evening to all of you. When my grandson was born, I told my son, start with the alphabet A or B, because you will always be at a disadvantage. Anyway, briefly speaking, I worked in Bombay, Delhi, but then back to Bombay, then ultimately in Chennai. I lost my wife 28 years back on July 15th, 1988. My mother brought up my son and a daughter. My son did his BTech IIT, MBA from IIM. He's a group manager in Infosys. So daughter-in-law is the assistant vice president. She's also MBA. My daughter is a rank holder. I can take pride because I am not one of them. So, and she did her MBA from ISB. My son-in-law is also MBA and he is the chief operating officer. I am now living in Chennai alone. Thank you.
Mr. Sankara Kalyan Mandram.
I am Mandram. I retired from Chennai Port Trust. I was poor in studies during my holidays, that is college days. But I was famous due to my brother who got 23 gold medals in the MBBS. And then I got married in 1974. Now I am a widower from 2011. That's all. I got one daughter. She is in Adair. Thank you.
Next is Satyakirti.
I am Satyakirti. My wife Meena. A private manufacturing company GM வந்து retired 2 years. எனக்கு ஒரு son is a doctor in Apollo Hospitals, Apollo orthopedic surgeon. இது மருமகளும் டாக்டர் பெத்தாலஜிஸ்ட். என்னுடைய மகள் engineer in Amazon Development Center and மருமகன் in OA Consultancy. Both are engineers. என் பையனுக்கு 2 பெண் குழந்தைகள். So I am like taking care of the children. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Shekhar. I am electrical BE done in our 16 batch. I work in BSNL for 35 years. I got a son and daughter. Son is in UK. Daughter is in Bangalore with me. Thank you.
Next is Mr. P. Shanmuganathan. Even from Karaikudi, he was always a visitor to Pondicherry. But finally, he has decided to settle himself there and is an industrialist now. He will introduce himself now.
I know previously I am going to settle here. That's why I frequently visited during college days. I am Shanmuganathan, my wife Nalini. We have one son. I am running an industry in Pondicherry, paper manufacturing. My son is looking after the industry better than me. I have 2 grandchildren. That's all. I'll give one suggestion to consider Pondicherry as the venue for our 50th anniversary. You can consider. You can consider.
It will be honored. It's an excellent space. I have a very good friend who has got a very large guest house in Pondicherry. I think Pondicherry is the best venue. Next is Maapalai Sivakumar.
Good evening, friends. I'm Sivakumaran. I represent a US-based company manufacturing seamless pipes which are used in power plants. We have 2 sons. They run a magazine called Smart CEO, encouraging young entrepreneurs. And elder son is also running a HR company. We have 2 grandsons. Thank you.
Mr. Shivanesan, he works in he has worked completely in sugar industry. A high enthusiast.
Good evening to everybody. இந்த லேட்டாக வர்றதுல அதில் ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பெனிஃபிட் இருக்குது. ஏதாவது சொல்லிட்டு சீக்கிரம் ஓடி போயிடலாம். நான் அப்படி சொல்ல விரும்பலை. ஐம் மெக்கானிக்கல் கிராஜுவேட் அண்ட் சுகர் இன்ஜினியர். மை என்டையர் சர்வீஸ் ஹஸ் பீன் இன் த சுகர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. மை வைஃப் நேம் இஸ் பானுமதி. Still I am working as a consultant after retirement as a general manager production from one of the last factory was near Chengalpattu. My son is an hotel management and MBA. He is a marketing manager in Chennai. He is yet to be married. Only that is our only grief now, as of now. Otherwise we are happy. Thank you all.
Thank you. He wanted to escape because he was in the last but he has made enough reputation in our WhatsApp. Same thing. How many times he must have thanked Abraham Tarakan for giving him one of the best food during his cycling time. Okay. And M.V. Anand also. Sadhu Srinivasan, please. Where is Sadhu Srinivasan? See, there were, one more was N. Srinivasan, but he is Sadhu, most soft-spoken candidate of our college at that time. I don't know what is he now.
Okay, good evening to all of you. I am S. Srinivasan. This is my wife Jayanti. I am a retired professor from IIT Kharagpur. Recently I have joined as a visiting professor at NIT. I have 2 sons. One is, the elder one is Satish. He is a professor at Pitt State, and the other son is a software engineer at Union Pacific. So it's nice I met all of you. Look forward to future meetings. Thank you.
Mr. Somaya, who was the most stylish spokesperson. Sprinter. Even now? I see. Okay. I think that there are short people, who like Jayapal, my wife, Somaya. These are all people, probably they have something special.
நன்றி. எனது பெயர் சோமையா. பொதுப்பணித்துறையில் பொறியாளராக பணிபுரிந்து ஓய்வு பெற்றுள்ளேன். எனது மனைவி வெளியூர் சென்றுள்ளார் சில முக்கிய காரணங்களுக்காக. எனக்கு 2 மகள்கள். மூத்தவர் ஐடி இன்ஜினியர், திருமணமாகி யுஎஸ்ஏயில் இருக்கின்றார். அவருக்கு குழந்தைகள் உண்டு. அடுத்தவர் ஹெச்ஆர் மேனேஜர், அவர் கணவரும் ஒரு ஐடி இன்ஜினியர். இருவரும் லண்டன், பிரசில்ஸ் ஆகிய ஊர்களுக்கு சென்று திரும்பி சென்னையில் பணிபுரிகின்றனர். இந்த வாய்ப்பு கிடைத்தமைக்கு நன்றி. மீண்டும் ஆண்டவன் அருளால் நாம் எல்லோரும் இன்னும் 3 ஆண்டுகள் கழித்து சந்திப்போம். சந்திக்கும் வரையில் விடைபெற்றுக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Mr. Sridharan.
Mr. Somaya, this is 136, who used to help me out in fittings and the carpentry and smithy. Okay. This is Vijayalakshmi, my wife. I retired from Steel Authority as a national sales manager, and ever since then, we settled at Chennai. I have 2 sons, both of them are well settled, and we have 3 granddaughters and 1 grandson. Thank you.
Swatantra Amalraj, best ring tennis player of the college for all the years he stood by.
I am Swatantra Amalraj. Most of you don't know the reason for this Swatantra Amalraj because my date of birth does not coincide with my actual date of birth. My actual date of birth is 15th August 1947, exactly on the date of independence. That is why my parents gave that name. Unfortunately, in my certificate, it is, I joined first standard 1 year earlier. So, but I could not change. So most of you don't know that. I am blessed with, I retired as an executive engineer in PWD. I blessed with 1 son who is MBBS by profession. And another daughter, he is also a doctorate in computer science. She is working as a associate professor in engineering college. I blessed with 3 grandsons and granddaughter. After retirement, I am doing some, that is resource person. I am acting as a resource person for some of the training programs conducted by our department because I am supposed to be an expert in Periyar Dam, Mullai Periyar Dam. So my job, my pastime is to look after my grandchildren. That is babysitting. Thank you.
Next is Mr. Kamal Bacha. We had to miss him because he was breaking his fast, so we had to allow him some 10 minutes break.
I am Kamal Basha. I complete job. I worked in Tamil Nadu Electrical Inspectorate and I retired as Chief Electrical Inspector. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. First son is a doctor, he is a general surgery. That another son, next son is a electrical engineer. He is working with the GE. My daughter is a BCom graduate. She is married. She is living in Bangalore. Another one, I got married when I was studying fourth year. Therefore, now I am having a grandson that he is doing final MBBS. And another granddaughter, she is doing +1 in Bangalore. All are in Bangalore. Thank you.
Mr. Tamilvanan.
Good evening, everybody. I entered the service in All India Radio as a technical assistant and retired as director of stereo. I have nothing more to say about my service. I have 1 son and 1 daughter. Daughter is working as senior instructor in nursing college, JIPM. My son is working in Hong Kong as a software professional. Thank you.
Mr. Dravidamani.
I am Dravidamani. எனக்கு 2 டாக்டர் 4 பேர குழந்தைங்க. That's all. I retired as a managing director in Transport Corporation. Thank you.
One of the biggest unions he was leading Travidamani. And finally retired as MD. Great. Next is Tyagarajan.
I am Tyagarajan from electrical branch. My wife is here, Mrs. Anbukarasi. I retired from Engineers India Limited as Deputy General Manager. We had a wonderful opportunity to live in Tokyo for 2 years, where my company has posted me. Prior to that, I was in Department of Atomic Energy at Kalpakkam. I started my career at TNEB. I was at Trichy. Regarding my family profile, I have one son and daughter. Both of them are well settled. My son is abroad in Dubai. My daughter and son-in-law, they are in Bangalore. We are living a happy retired life at Velachery, Chennai. Thank you, gentlemen.
Next is Mr. Vedanayagam. I think you people must have remembered him when we all met for our 25th year at Karakudi. All our visits was booked, logistics organized, all arrangements done, inclusive of arrangement at Abu Bakar's farmhouse. The leader was Vedanayagam. I think we should thank him.
வணக்கம், வேதநாயகம், அமிர்தக்கனி. நான் காரைக்குடிக்காரன். காரைக்குடியிலே பிறந்ததுனால அழகப்ப செட்டியார் ஆரம்பித்த காரைக்குடி காலேஜில் படிக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சது. காரைக்குடி காலேஜில் ஒரு 5 வருஷம் படித்தேன். 5 வருஷம் இல்லை, ரொம்ப வருஷம் படித்தேன். ஃபெயிலாகி படித்தேன். 69 காலேஜை விட்டு வெளியே போக சொல்லிட்டாங்க. என்னன்னு கேட்டாங்க வீட்டில், படிப்பு முடிஞ்சிருச்சுன்னு. உடனே கல்யாணம்னாங்க. இந்த பொண்ணு எழுதுதில் மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. நான் பாஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே கல்யாணம் ஆகிருச்சு. மாமனார் வேலைக்கு போகலையா மாப்பிள்ளைன்னு கேட்டார். 2 வருஷம் ஆச்சு, 2 குழந்தை ஆகி போச்சு. வேலைக்கு போகல, பெரிய சிக்கலாகி போச்சு. அப்புறம் ஈபியில் ஒரு வேலை கொடுத்தாங்க. ஒரு 4-5 வருஷம் வேலை பார்த்துட்டு வெளியே வந்து ஒரு தொழில் ஆரம்பித்தேன். 1 கோடி ரூபா கடன் ஆயிருச்சு. எல்லாம் பேங்க்ல இருந்து கனகசபை, யாகூப் ஷாலாம் போய் நோட்டீஸ் விட்டாங்க. சொத்தை கொடுக்குறியா இல்லாட்டி தொழிலை விட்டுட்டு போறியான்ட்டு. நான் சொத்தை கொடுத்துட்டு வெளியே வந்துட்டேன். என் பொண்ணு சம்சாரமே கூட வந்தாங்க. அப்புறம் நாங்கள் வேற சின்ன சின்ன தொழிலெல்லாம் பண்ணி இன்னைக்கு ஓரளவுக்கு கடனெல்லாம் அடைச்சிட்டு ஏதோ பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். கடன்பட்ட காலத்தில் எனக்கு உதவி செய்த நண்பர்கள் தான் இந்த குரூப்ல இருக்கிற நிறைய பேரை சொல்ல முடியாது என்னால. அவங்களால தான் நாங்கள் இன்னைக்கு உயிரோடு இருக்கிறோம். நான் எங்களை ரீஹாபிலிட்டேட் பண்ணது இந்த குரூப்ல உள்ள பல நண்பர்கள். இதை நான் சொல்ல வேண்டிய கடமை இருக்கிறனால இன்னைக்கு நான் சொல்லிட்டேன்.
சொத்து போனாலும் இந்த சொத்து
இருக்கு.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு எல்லாரையும் பார்க்கறதுக்கு. போன பேட்சில் நான் உங்களை எல்லாம் பார்க்கல. இப்போ உங்க எல்லாரையும் பார்த்துருக்கேன். நான் அடுத்ததில் உங்களை எல்லாம் சந்திக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். வணக்கம்.
The last but not the least, Mr. Veerappan.
எப்போவுமே வேதநாயகத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நான் வருவேன். இப்போ வேதநாயகத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வந்திருக்கேன். I am Veerappan, retired as Deputy General Manager in SIDCO and worked there for about 32 years. I am blessed with 2 daughters. Elder one settled in Saligramam here, Chennai. She is running a kindergarten school here. And younger one settled at US. I am blessed with 2 grandson and 2 granddaughter. Both daughters are having 1 son and 1 daughter. And the eldest granddaughter married very recently. 25 years back, நம்ம 25வது வருஷம் வெளி விழா கொண்டாடும் போது கிராண்ட் டாட்டர் அது கிராண்ட் சன் உள்ளவங்க 2 பேர் தான். நானும் அபுபக்கர் தான் அந்த சமயத்தில் 25வது வருஷம். அபுபக்கர் கரெக்டா? இப்போ கிராண்ட் டாட்டருக்கு மேரேஜ் ஆயிடுச்சு. 50th இயர்ஸ் கொண்டாடும் போது கிரேட் கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸ் உள்ளவங்க அநேகமாக நாங்கள் 2 பேர் தான் இருப்போம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Instead of telling that to the group here, tell your granddaughter. He's the one who has sent. For both of them, today evening food is free. That's from me.
Ladies and gentlemen, last day, I don't want to.
நீங்க என்ன அனுப்பணும்னு சொல்றீங்களா, அனுப்ப வேண்டாம்னு சொல்றீங்களா?
Encourage பண்றப்பா.
Can I Finish, madam? Good. Now it is a pleasure duty to propose a vote of thanks, but only thing I don't want to stand between you and the dinner for long. That is also there. Thank you. Now I would like to first to thank Mr. Jyoti Kumar for his excellent work done in organizing, ably supported by the team, Mr. Veerappan, Kasimayappan, Kannamani, Dravidamani, Jayachandran, and these people have done a really good job. I would like to thank Ramaratnam for ably conducting the proceedings. Thanks Balu for an excellent presentation, and Tanjavur Balu for his participation. First and foremost, I would like to thank the outstation friends who have taken all the efforts to come and grace this occasion. I would like to thank all the better halves for participating and making it lively. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Can we join?
One small announcement. The YouTube title for this is 1969 ACCET Silver Jubilee. You press this, you will get that. ACCET, the same thing. That you put it, you will get it. Otherwise, I will also try to send the link to all of you through WhatsApp, so that you can download it and use that. Okay? Lastly, I have to tell you this. The studio man is asking how many videos of DVD, photographs and all each people will do. I was telling you that you have to settle it directly with him.